So you may ask yourself, why am I out here with the brand new Nexgrill Oakford 1000 pellet grill, and I'm on the old Oklahoma Joe's cooking some hot dogs, right? Why is that happening? Let me explain. Well, here we are. Got a brand new Nexgrill Oakford 1000. Maybe you're here because you saw me put this thing together. a lot of time went into it, and I can't cook with it. So straight out of the box, just the factory auger motor just does not have enough power to push those pellets through the tunnel. So it'll work on its own, but then anytime that it catches like the little edge of a pellet or something as it goes through the tunnel, the auger motor jams. I can clear it manually and break that free. So I went ahead and I had to open up and dump some pellets out because the prime button was not working. So what I did was I opened that up, and then I just came in here, twisted down in there like that to where I could get it moving again. So now you can see the auger is moving. I hope it was a fluke and it's not the way that this is going to be, but it should be priming. You see it stop? So this video here isn't to bash Nexgrill. This is just a genuine review. So I do have to say, I called up customer service, and they're sending me out a brand new motor. It'll be here in a week or so. That means I don't get to cook the brisket on here that I was hoping to cook for Thanksgiving. I'll be doing it on the old, trusty Oklahoma Joe's offset smoker that you've seen in my past videos. So I will be doing that. Now, let's just break down a couple of the other features that I do like on this grill. So this will not be my first review video of this grill. I opted to get the new auger sent out to me, and customer service was excellent. They gave me the option to take it back to the store. There are none of these that are in stock, and I don't want to put together another one. So they're sending me out a new auger motor. Like I said, I spoke to the same guy at customer service. He answered the phone 2 different times. Very friendly, very helpful. And yeah, so customer service, excellent. 5-year warranty. Who knows? I'll be taking advantage of that again. Hopefully the second auger motor works out of the box when I put that in. I will be making an auger motor installation video because why not, right? They're going to give me the opportunity for content. I'm going to make it. So let's just talk about a few of the other features that I really like on this one. The first thing is the finish. Now, this is a very nice, shiny, hammered, powder coat finish, which is great. It looks durable. The steel, everything is nice, solid build. Looking at the interior of the grill, there's plenty of room, right? I can do a brisket. I got a nice little warming rack here. The lid here is insulated. It's got a nice gasket seal around here. I wish I could tell you how it actually seals and if it contains the smoke. I will not know that for another week or so. And I was able to get it connected to the internet. The app itself is pretty straightforward. It only has like 2 stars on the App Store. I think that's because it can be a little bit finicky. The first time I opened it up, I wasn't able to connect and find my grill. The second time I clicked on the button, it was magically there. So I don't know how glitchy it is during the actual cooking process, but I could see how that could be an issue. But I was able to connect with it, and it ended up working no problem. The hopper itself holds plenty of pellets. It holds a bag and then some. I dropped plenty of them on the floor, so I won't have any problem fitting them all back in. The actual mechanics of it and the touch dial itself, I like it because everything I can do it without the app. If I don't want to use the app, I can still run it manual, and it's a good option for doing those things. Now the build and everything else, it's very heavy duty steel. The welds look good. Everything looks nice and put together properly. It's got plenty of shelving around it. I love the shelving of this grill. It's got this drop down shelving unit here, right, which is really nice. it feels like it will hold a lot of weight. It came with 2 probes. Okay, it came with 2 probes. They fit right through here. It's got a nice little gasket that fits through here. So I wish I could tell you more. I'm not out here to bash Nexgrill. Like I said, their customer service was amazing. Also, if I wanted to go down and get the Traeger option of this grill, it would be like $1,800, and I picked this one up for about $450. So there's a big difference there. Obviously, you could go down and buy like a brand new Mercedes and have issues right off the lot, or you could go down and buy like an old Chevy Cavalier. They don't even make those anymore, but you could drive those forever. Right, and here we are. So if you like the grill, 450 bucks. Most of the reviews say that it's a good buy, and you can get it, and your auger is going to work. Mine just happened to not work. So get it. If anything changes in a month or so when I come out with another video on the review of actually using it, actually cooking it, putting it through its paces, then maybe I'll tell you to change your mind, and I'll come in and throw something in the description of this video. So yeah, I guess that's it. I didn't plan on making this video, so I don't have a lot to say, even though I've said a lot. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to, and make sure you hit that like button. All right, everybody. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. So look, at the end of the day, all I really wanted was some hot dogs. Do I think I made a bad purchase? No. I could still get, technically I could still get at least 3 of those before I equaled the price of the Traeger, you know, of the similar size. So again, good deal. The customer service was great, and we'll see how it goes in the future. So I'm gonna go eat my hot dogs.